Ancient wisdom often comes wrapped in simple words, yet those words carry lessons that last a lifetime. These proverbs speak about life, love, wisdom, family, and human nature. Listen closely, because each line holds a quiet truth meant to guide the mind and steady the heart. Pay attention to what is being said, not to who is saying it. The axe may forget, but the tree always remembers. Never sail using another person's star as your guide. Do not call a dog while holding a whip in your hand. When you start carrying your own water, every drop becomes unforgettable. Knowledge is like a garden. Without care, nothing can be harvested. A lion that roars too much catches no prey. Restless feet can easily lead you into a snake pit. There are no shortcuts to the top of a palm tree. When elephants clash, it is the grass that suffers. Tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. There is no medicine that can heal hatred. Not all monkeys can hang from the same branch. Whoever digs a grave for another may end up in it himself. Even the lion guards himself against flies. No matter how long the night lasts, dawn will surely come. If you heal someone's leg, don't be shocked if they use it to run away. Trying and failing is never laziness. Seeing with your own eyes is not the same as being told. No matter how beautiful a coffin looks, it won't make anyone desire death. Wood once touched by fire ignites easily again. Sharing secrets with the unworthy is like carrying grain in a torn bag. A weak effort can never satisfy the soul. Good conversation is a form of wealth. Calm water does not mean there are no crocodiles beneath. One who cannot obey cannot truly command. A single lie can ruin 1,000 truths. The earth is like a beehive. We all enter through the same door. Rain never falls on just one roof. No matter how far a river travels, it remembers its source. If you think you are too small to matter, spend a night with a mosquito. When there is no enemy inside you, no outside enemy can harm you. The eye never forgets what the heart has witnessed. No one is born great. Greatness is earned while others sleep. When an old man dies, a whole library is lost. Truth should live in love, and love should live in truth. Marry a monkey for money, and when the money leaves, the monkey stays. Where love exists, darkness has no place. When one is in love, even a cliff feels like a meadow. True love accepts you even with your dirt. If love is a sickness, patience is its cure. Loving someone who doesn't love you back is like shaking a tree for dew. If the full moon loves you, why worry about the stars? Do not be so blinded by love that you fail to notice the rain. Never treat your loved one like a swinging door, pushing them back and forth. Love does not listen to rumors. Do not try to make someone hate the person they love. They will keep loving and end up hating you. Love does not depend on physical appearance. The man who plants grapes by the roadside and the one who marries a beautiful woman face the same trouble. True love means what is mine is also yours. A fish and a bird may fall in love, but they cannot build a home together. The heart of a wise man is calm like clear water. Only wisdom can untangle difficult problems. In times of crisis, the wise build bridges while fools build dams. Pride leaves no space for wisdom. A man who uses force fears reasoning. Wisdom is not like money meant to be hidden away. Those who cause hardship also pass on lessons. A fool cannot untie the knot made by a wise man. Getting lost is often how the right path is learned. Ignore facts, and accidents will teach you instead. A nodding lizard is not always agreeing. A wise man fills his mind before emptying his mouth. If you think education is costly, try ignorance. A fool speaks because he must. A wise person speaks because he has something worth saying. The wise never take a step longer than their leg. Offer advice. If it's ignored, let hardship teach instead. When actions speak, words lose value. A wise person doesn't fall down the same hill twice. A united family eats from the same plate. Family bonds are like a tree. They may bend but never break. What we leave our children should be roots and wings. Do not interfere in family conflicts. A man with a good wife is never without supplies on the road. A small house can host 100 friends. A woman is the flower of the garden. Her husband is the fence that protects it. If you want to move fast, walk alone. If you want to go far, walk together. A bundle of sticks cannot be broken. When relatives support one another, what harm can touch them? Family matters are not discussed in the public square. A child never mocks the ugliness of his mother. A happy man marries the woman he loves. A happier man loves the woman he married. When a woman does not love you, she will call you brother. Whoever marries only for love will face hard days, but gentle nights. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment and share if you want to keep these videos coming.